All right, our 446 cubic inch is a brand new package. Again, experimenting. It made 592 horsepower, and it made it at 5,400 RPM. Am I correct, or did I say it was 50 or 45? 54.
54.
Yeah, it made it at 5,400 RPM. We know what we're going to do next time. It's going to make 6 1/4 easy. We're going to probably put another pair of cylinder heads on there, but it's going to up the price on the engine because we're going to put a set of CNC ported. But we're playing around. We exceeded what we needed to do for the customer. It's a 575 built, made 592, but again, the torque on the motor picked up really well. Made 6 1/4 torque, and that's fantastic. And I mean, it's flat, pretty much all the way up. It's almost a 600 torque right off the bottom. So we got a great package here. The customer's going to really enjoy it in a 68 Mustang. Hey, if you're looking for any motors, give us a call. Peace. All right, Meadows. Hey, I want to thank you for your trust in us. We got a 68 Ford Mustang engine here on the dyno for you. Happens to be our new package, 446 cubic inch, multi-port EFI. This thing runs fabulous. We're going to pull it to 62. Let's see if it likes it.